Freewallet app. The pros, the cons. The Freewallet app is one of those crypto wallets that promise simplicity and convenience, a place where you can store, send, and even buy digital assets without the usual technical headaches. The surprising truth about Freewallet is that while it looks beginner-friendly, there's a lot more to consider beneath the surface. Let's start with the pros. The biggest advantage of Freewallet is accessibility. It supports over 100 cryptocurrencies from Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins all in one place. For newcomers who don't want multiple apps or complicated setups, this is incredibly appealing. Another major strength is its built-in exchange. You can swap one crypto for another instantly, right inside the app, without needing to visit a third-party exchange. It also lets you buy crypto with a credit or debit card, something most wallets still don't offer. Freewallet also provides custodial recovery options, meaning if you lose your login or phone, your assets can be recovered by verifying your identity. That's a huge relief for people who worry about losing their private keys. Now, here's where the cons come in, and they're important. Freewallet is custodial, which means you don't actually control your private keys. In crypto, that's a big deal. The saying "not your keys, not your coins" applies here. Funds are technically held by Freewallet, not you. Another concern is withdrawal control. Some users have reported delays or limits when trying to move their crypto out of the app. This has made some in the community skeptical about using it as a primary wallet. Finally, while the interface is polished, transaction fees can be higher than average, especially for internal swaps or credit card purchases. In conclusion, Freewallet is great for beginners who value convenience over control. But if you're serious about owning your crypto and want full custody of your funds, this might not be your best choice. The key takeaway: always know whether your wallet gives you control or just access.